Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Annie. In this video, we will learn about VLOOKUP in Excel. What is VLOOKUP in Excel and how to make or use VLOOKUP in Excel fast. I'll show you the process of looping in a cell, so let's start. There are two types of loops in a cell. One is a vertical lookup, meaning earthquake, and the other is a depth lookup, meaning a depth loop. So today I'll show you how to do it in Excel. So look here. I've created a table in which I've entered the serial number, employee name, designation, basic net salary, etc. Here, I've added some data. Look here. I've taken the names of some columns. By doing 20 on these, we'll extract the bills using the bills here. The data from this table will be stored in the loop. So, look in the table. This data with serial number 6. By clicking on it, we'll show you the first commission. I've typed 6 here as the serial number. Now, we'll write the loop formula here. But for this, first we'll take equals. Then, but still look. After this, we'll open the backend and click on the result of the serial number. See, after clicking, there's 16 here, and the rule number is 4. This page appears. Then, we'll press a comma. Now, we'll select the entire table here, and then press F4 to confirm it. The table will be free here. After that, we'll see how many numbers are in the problem in the employee name field, or 2 numbers, first and second. Here, we'll write 2. Then we'll press a comma. After that, we'll see 2 options here, true and false. Here, we'll fold. To make it count, you'll add 0 and close the brackets. After the brackets are put in, press Enter. The employee's name in the 6th position will be displayed here. Look, the name in the 6th position is displayed here. Now, we'll calculate Suman Roy's net salary. Look, we'll calculate the NAC salary amount here. We'll also calculate it individually. Now, we'll write in net salary, equal to the look of the page. Then, we'll open Facebook, and we'll do the same sequence, 14, meaning the serial number. Then we'll add a comma. After that, what will we do with the table? We'll select the entire table here, then use it by pressing F4. Then we'll add a comma. After pressing F4, look here, the net salary is at number 5 in the TV. First, second, third, fourth, benefit number. So here we'll write the affair. We'll add a comma. After pressing F4, we'll have to do the same here. For this, we'll put 0 subjects here. I'll enter it in brackets. After entering, we'll see that the net salary is active. It will show you the serial number here. It was at number 6. So, look, Akbar's name is at serial number 6 in the TV, and his name is at number 6. So this is your net salary. So, look, the Excel lookup works vertically from the table. So, vertically, you can enter any data or any serial number and sign the data from here. So, I wrote Enter. You will see that the data in this serial number is there, and then you can write anything in the serial number. I will show you the data here. Look, if I had not entered the serial number, then its data will be there. It's happening. So here is a simple process using which you can actually calculate it. If you liked the video, please like it. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep your support.